If you're a landlord in Pennsylvania and need a clear, professional residential lease agreement that's easy to complete and available either as a downloadable PDF or a professionally printed packet, this video gives you a quick overview of what's included and how to get started. This Pennsylvania lease is part of the Landlord resources available through AmericanLandlord.com. We work with property owners and managers who want reliable paperwork they can use confidently without spending hours trying to piece together forms from multiple sources. Our Pennsylvania residential lease agreement is designed for single-family homes, condos, and small residential rentals. It's organized in a straightforward format so you can enter your key terms quickly and still have everything clearly laid out for reference throughout the tenancy. At the front of the lease is a dedicated summary page where you can enter important details like tenant names, rent amount, lease dates, deposits, and payment instructions. Commonly used disclosures are also included for the state of Pennsylvania, including radon, mold, flood, and more. It's available in two formats, either as an instant PDF download or as a professionally printed packet that's mailed to you on premium archival paper. And if you're looking for more than just the lease, we also offer a complete Pennsylvania rental forms kit. It includes not only the lease, but commonly used documents like a rental application and move-in checklist. That way you can handle the entire process from screening an applicant to moving them out with one set of consistent documents. You can order your Pennsylvania residential lease agreement or rental forms kit today by visiting AmericanLandlord.com.